Hi people, my name is Sneha. Welcome to my channel. Today I am having with me these sample lipsticks from a brand called Just Herbs. So this brand promises you that their products are 100% Ayurvedic in nature, and they are also cruelty free, and they are free from petrochemicals, parabens, SLS, etc. Now, I have come across this brand couple of times on my social media feeds like Facebook and Instagram, and I was quite intrigued by the product, the way it has been presented. I mean, these are the tiny lipsticks. You never see such tiny lipsticks, and the price was also quite affordable at 575 for 16 shades. Looking further on their page, I also see that they are into skincare, hair care, bath and body products. But then I stuck to this lipstick and I ordered this one. They were delivered to me within a week of ordering on the site, and this is how the product looks from the outside. It sort of comes in an envelope, and yeah, this package holds all the 16 shades in it. Quite difficult to believe that such a small packaging can hold so many shades in it. Also, another thing which I have noticed is that although there are 16 shades, but if you really notice that these shades are not really different from each other. I mean, you will notice lots of red and nude tones when compared to pinks and peaches. Also, these lipsticks do not have names on it, rather, they have numbers mentioned on them. So, it is slightly inconvenient if you have to remember a particular shade with a number rather than a name. In terms of individual packaging of each lipsticks, I don't find any complaint, but only thing is that you might have to be careful while applying it, because in case if you slightly increase the pressure, it might cause the bullet to break. So this really got me thinking that what if in case I really like a particular shade and I want a full version of it, and I went onto the site and checked if they were available in the full sizes of the same sample lipsticks. Well, it turns out that they do have the full versions of the lipstick on the website, again in 16 shades. But I was a bit confused here because here the shades do have the names written on them, whereas the sample ones which I got didn't have the names, rather, they had the numbers written on them. So, if the numbers and the names really match, that I am really doubtful about it. But anyways, they do have the full versions of it. Now I will be trying out each of the shades and showing you guys, and you guys would like to stick with me till the end. So let's begin with the swatches. Overall, these lipsticks are really fun and you must give it a try. Hope you guys have liked my video. Please let me know in the comments and also give me a thumbs up if you have really liked my video. Thank you so much guys. Take care and bye bye.